Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a listing with variation on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, I'm going to follow this guide from the customer service on eBay. So basically here, how you can simply create a variation for a listing. So we need just to go to Seller Hub, go and start creating a listing, and from here you will need to search for the correct category, and then we will be able to create a variation. So now let's go to our eBay, and in my eBay we need to search for selling. So by clicking on selling, you would find the listing choice. So from here we'll find all our listing, and now all we want to do is to click on create listing. So basically, you can simply bulk listing, or you can upload from a CSV file or whatever. And in my case, I'm just going to use a photo upload. So we can simply uh, go to get organized. I'm just going to choose one photo. I'm going to continue. You can add from computer. It can be anything. And basically, here we need just to generate a draft. So by generating the draft, you would be able like to find your title, and from here give it like title, and what we want is to select a category that is uh, suitable for this, and from here it will already start like adding variation to your uh, category, and it really depends on the category that you are using, and I'm just going to choose any category that would be working. And basically for here we'll find for this category we'll have some many fields that will be added, and I'm just going to click on submit for now, and basically you can just submit, and basically it will uh, let's just fix the error, and it needs some description, and from here you can give it any description here, and as you can see you'd find like some item specified or specifics, item description, and from here you'd find the buy it now or the start to the bid and whatever, and basically you would find here a variation in these details in case you have a variation for or this category can have a variation. So we need just to search for variation, like for example, something like the format or the size of it or whatever. And as you can see, it's already like creating variation for me, and you can like add anything, and basically that's all. So thank you for watching and see you next time.